Are you looking to earn money online in 2025? If yes, you're in the right place. AI tools are revolutionizing how we earn money. Today, we'll explore 3 powerful AI tools that can boost your income. First up, let's talk about content creation. Imagine needing a blog post fast. AI tools like Jasper can generate articles in seconds. Jasper understands context and uses selected keywords. This saves you time while keeping quality high. Next, we have affiliate marketing. Tools like ClickFunnels AI help optimize sales funnels. They analyze user behavior and adjust messages automatically. ClickFunnels AI maximizes your conversions without extra effort. Lastly, let's look at e-commerce. Merch by Amazon uses AI to help you design products. Just upload an idea, and the AI suggests designs. It even manages orders, giving you more time to focus on sales. Now, let's break these down further. Jasper streamlines your writing process. Whether for blogs or social media, it tailors content for your audience. More quality content means higher visibility. ClickFunnels AI customizes sales steps effortlessly. Using data, it tailors your marketing strategy precisely. Higher conversion rates mean more income generated. Merch by Amazon assists in creating products seamlessly. You upload a design concept. The process remains simple and user-friendly, utilizing AI for fulfillment. Here's a quick example. Sarah, a freelance writer, uses Jasper. She wrote 5 articles weekly and increased her income significantly. Time saved allowed her to take more clients. Next, John, who promotes products using ClickFunnels. His conversion rates soared after implementing AI strategies. He gained thousands in sales within months. Lastly, Emma launched her t-shirt line using Merch by Amazon. With unique designs and AI assistance, her sales grew rapidly. Now, she earns passive income while exploring new ideas. To summarize, we explored 3 AI tools. Jasper helps content creators bring ideas to life. ClickFunnels AI optimizes your sales process. Merch by Amazon enables you to design and sell easily. Embrace these tools to create income streams in 2025. Start using AI technology today to maximize your earnings. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to explore these tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Together, let's thrive online.